क्या है बेटा बताओ? A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for boy. B for bat. C for car. C for cat. C for computer. D for dog. D for doll. D for door. E for eyes. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fox. F for fan. F for fish. G for grapes. G for girl. G for God. H for hen. H for hut. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for eyes. J for jacket. J for joker. J for jeeper. K for key. K for keyboard. K for kite. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lock. M for monkey. M for mango. M for monitor. N for nester. N for nail. N for net. O for orange. O for owl. O for ox. P for peacock. P for parrot. P for printer. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rat. R for rock. S for sun. S for star. S for spoon. T for tree. T for tap. T for tub. U for umbrella. U for urn. U for uniform. V for violin. V for vest. V for van. W for watch. W for watermelon. W for woman. X mastery. X-ray. Xylophone. Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. Y for yolk. Z for zero. Z for zip. Z for zebra.